Every journey begins with a dream. At Vinicio Adivisory, talent is everywhere, but opportunities need to be created. Announcing the VinLeap launch at the event.
Hello everyone, I'm Amita Karve, Senior Global Partner, Innovation and Strategy Consulting at Vinicio Advisory. We are here today at University of Greater Manchester, Russell Khema. We, Vinicio Advisory, are launching our new product known as VinLeap. VinLeap is basically a platform for students for them to bridge a gap between campus to career, from academia to industry. That is where we are launching this product in UAE first. So what is VinLeap? VinLeap represents winning with Vinicio, while LEAP stands for Learn, Empower, Aspire and Progress. More than an internship program, VinLeap is a career development platform where students can get their careers designed, and it will equip the students to be practically ready for industry exposure. We will give them industry exposure, mentorship and hands-on project that professional skills needed to thrive in today's dynamic workplace. Through VinLeap, we aim at inspiring innovation, nurture talent, empower the next generation to build successful careers. Before I conclude, I would like to extend my heartfelt sincere gratitude to Dr. Raj Nambiar, Dean and Campus Director at University of Greater Manchester, Russell Khema, and the leadership team for providing Vinicio Advisory with the opportunity to launch and showcase VinLeap at today's career fair. We truly value your support and collaboration, and we look forward to building a long-lasting partnership that creates meaningful job opportunities for students and strengthens the connection between academia and industry. Thank you, and I wish each one of you all the very best and successful, inspiring career fair. Thank you.
There are moments in an entrepreneur's journey which becomes memorable and bigger milestones. Hi, this is Vinu Pillai, founder of Vinicio Adivisory, a business consulting firm based in India and UAE, working in the talent space for HR, social impact and education consulting. The launch of Vinicio Advisory's new education product, VinLeap. LEAP stands for Learn, Empower, Aspire and Progress. This is a bundle of solutions which we are offering to the universities and students and career professionals to have a structured learning process. What was more interesting for me was during the soft launch of this program at the University of Greater Manchester, Russell Khema, UAE. I was not physically present there, but the whole program was curated and delivered by my team. The entire credit goes to Amita Karve, who is our senior global partner. She's based out of UAE, and the bunch of enthusiastic interns of the University of Greater Manchester. Moments like this truly makes it so memorable and cherished that we start believing in the journey more profoundly. And today, as we launch VinLeap, it is not just a personal commitment and accomplishment for me at Vinicio as a founder, but it truly goes beyond that. When a team performs and contributes entirely on their own without the founder being physically there, that speaks volume. And that's this moment for me which I want to share with you. Come join and be a part of this journey at VinLeap. Thank you.
We envision a future where students are empowered through mentorship and internship.
Hello everyone, my name is Zian Shahid and I'm currently interning with Vinicio Advisory, and it has been a great opportunity for me and a learning experience for me, and growing ahead with me personally and academically in this company will help me a lot in the future. Thanks to Vinu ma'am for giving me this opportunity and trusting in me with the capabilities I have to showcase my capabilities ahead in the future. Thank you so much everyone.
Hi everyone. I'm really grateful to be a part of the internship at Vinicio Advisory. Over the past few months, I've had the opportunity to work on meaningful projects, collaborate with an amazing team, and develop both my technical and professional skills. Every challenge has been a chance to learn something new, and the guidance and support from everyone has made this truly a rewarding experience. I'm thankful for this opportunity and I'm excited to continue learning and growing with the team. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dania and I am a digital marketing intern at Vinicio Adivisory, and my internship was a great learning experience. I worked on social media content and marketing designs while I was also improving my creative and professional skills. I'm thankful to the team for their support and Miss Vinu especially for her guidance and trust. Throughout my internship, she was very supportive and it was a valuable experience that I will always appreciate. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is VinLeap, an IT intern at Vinicio Advisory. I'm currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Computing at the University of Greater Manchester, Russell Khaimah. During my internship, I have been developing web pages, designing digital content, and supporting IT projects that could enhance the company's digital presence. This opportunity has given me a chance to apply my technical skills to a professional environment while working with an experienced team. I'm excited to grow and contribute to Vinicio Advisory's success. Thank you.
During my internship at Vinicio, I learned a ton, from a management overview to what an ideal business should be and should not be. I have an immense gratitude to Ms. Amita Carve and Vinu Pillai, and all of my colleagues. To see Vinicio come from small beginnings to now a team of 20 plus people has made me incredibly proud. I have no doubt that Vinicio will climb to greater heights and milestones.
When I joined Vinicio as an intern, I expected to gain experience, but I ended up learning much more than that. During my time there, I worked on creating marketing and social media designs, as well as contributing to updates and improvements on the company website. What I appreciated most was the trust and responsibility I was given. My ideas were valued, and I had the opportunity to work on real projects that had a direct impact on the company. The team was supportive, professional, and always encouraged me to develop my skills. My experience at Vinicio helped me grow both professionally and personally. It gave me confidence, strengthened my creativity, and allowed me to gain practical experience that I continue to use today. I'm grateful for the opportunity and the knowledge I gained during my time with the company.
Behind every milestone are people who believe, mentors who guide, families who support, young minds who dream, and teams that work tirelessly to turn vision into reality. This launch is a celebration of collaboration, trust, and shared aspirations. To every student wondering about the future, to every graduate seeking opportunities, to every dreamer preparing for the next chapter. Sometimes all it takes is one opportunity, one mentor, one conversation, and one leap. This is your time. This is your journey. This is VinLeap.